In this demo, we will learn how to set up zone and locations. Start by opening the app launcher. Select Warehouse to enter the Warehouse module. Open Location Hierarchy to build and manage your warehouse structure zones, aisles, racks, and bins. Click Add Zone to create a new zone inside your warehouse. Enter the zone code, zone name, select the warehouse, choose the zone type, set the temperature, and define the total capacity. Click Save Zone to create the zone. The capacity is validated against the parent warehouse limit. Your new zone now appears in the list with its code, type, temperature, capacity, and status badge. Switch to the Locations tab to create storage locations inside your zones. Click Add Location to define a specific storage spot like an aisle, rack, bin, or shelf. Enter the location code, select the type, choose the warehouse and zone, add aisle, rack, and bin identifiers, set the capacity and current stock, and pick a status. Click Save Location. Capacity is checked against the zone limit, and stock cannot exceed location capacity. Your new location appears in the grid with its full path warehouse, zone, aisle, rack, and bin plus capacity, current stock, and status. Switch to the bin map for a live visual layout of every storage location grouped by aisle. Each card shows the location code, current stock versus capacity, and a mini progress bar. Green means healthy, yellow means near full, and red means over 90% full. Hover any card for full details. Switch to Capacity Summary to see zone-level utilization at a glance. Here you can see every zone's total locations, total capacity, used capacity, and utilization percentage with color-coded progress bars. This makes it easy to spot overcrowded zones and plan capacity before you run out of space.